And that marks the end of our short stint in Naples. Honestly, we were scared going because the locals had referred to Naples as being the ghetto, and after getting robbed in Florence, we were worried that it might get worse. But I can say that oddly enough, I felt safer in Napoli than I ever did in Florence, even when our cab driver left us a mile and a half from our hotel when we first got there. The narrow streets of Napoli are very overpopulated, but there are tons of places that you can shop and explore, as well as some really nice restaurants down by the waterfront where you can eat with a nice view. Overall, I really enjoyed our short time there. I would suggest being careful as soon as you exit the train station, like in the Central Plaza area. But other than that, I don't think Napoli deserves the bad rep of being called the ghetto of Italy, because honestly it is very beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll hopefully have part 3 of this mini series out later this week, so be on the lookout for that. Be sure to let me know if you enjoyed by leaving a like, comment, or subbing down below. And that's it from me. Peace.